guys, this is Just Running Trains. In this video, we're going to be looking at Command Control. Okay, so you can see what this is. This is the MTH DCS Wi-Fi Track Interface Unit. Now, what the heck does that mean? So previously, the DCS system had two parts. A WIU that did the Wi-Fi if you were running using a phone or a tablet, and the TIU, which went to the track. You could run trains with the DCS remotes using just the TIU, but you needed the WIU piece to be able to run them off the Wi-Fi. Well, in today's technology-filled world, of course, they decided to merge them into a Wi-Fi track interface unit, which is the TIU, and it also projects the Wi-Fi signal. This is basically a supersized, bigger version of of the DCS Explorers in the starter sets. These do the same thing, are both all in one unit. Like the real DCS, this can run 4 different tracks. It has all the capabilities and great features. So, when I bought this thing, I got it for Christmas this year for my train layout. The only reason it's here is because we were testing it here, so when I first tested it, it did not work. Track powered all that stuff, but train did not connect. So I figured out you need to do an update. And apparently, it didn't work without the update. So I downloaded this thing called the Lucy software and did all this stuff, and it was eventually able to download it onto there. At first, it was a very long process. It was hard to see if it worked, but once the update, you figure out how to download it from the phone and everything, it isn't too bad. So when I took it home after updating it, tested it, and she worked perfectly. So let's see how she works. So here's my Rail King Z1000. Apparently there's been issues maybe with a Lionel transformer. I just don't want to take that risk. And I love these Z1000s anyway. They're great. So you hook up a wire from this, and it goes into the fixed variable 1 port on the WTIU. Then I hook up the 2 wires that go to the track on the fixed one out. The reason there's 2 wires on each is because I have a second power connector on this track because it's so long. So once all that is hooked up, you turn on your power, and the WTIU plugs right into the wall. And it will first light up white, and you need to give it a few minutes. Then the track lights will light green. Once they light green, you then put the dial up on your transformer. I put it up just about all the way up. Not all the way, but about like toward the middle. And the light will turn purple, and track power will be on. Your engines will not be on because they're on for DCS, but operating cars, eliminating cars, and such will turn on. So if I put a conventional engine on right now and fly down the track. So now that I had this hooked up, you can see this blue light right next to the antenna, which represents the Wi-Fi. The blue light means that the Wi-Fi is ready to connect. So you go to whatever device you're using, and you turn on Wi-Fi and wait until you see an MTH DCS Wi-Fi. Mine is 06FC. So you connect to that. One thing to note is that originally at first you will have to put in a code, normally MTH DCS Wi-Fi. So once you connect to that, you go to your MTH Wi-Fi app. And what you do is, then you go to add engine. No, not build last shot. You go to add engine. You click select MTH engine unless you're running a legacy or something like that. And so my Evolution Hybrid's already hooked up. We have another train on the track, my Pensy 280. So as you can see, there it pops up, PRR 280, number 7010. Click on it. Run engine. And got this popped up. And then you start her up, and she's ready to go. So, once you get it all set up, it's not too hard of a process. So now that we got that done, let's run some trains. So all in all, the MTH WTIU is a great system. I'm excited to get it on the layout, get running on the tracks. It's really cool, really great. Trains run really good on it, and I'm super, super happy to have it. So thank you all for watching, and remember to always just run trains. Have a good day.